Hi, my name is Dr. Chris Feehan, and I'm a third-year neurology resident at the University of British Columbia. I'm working with Dr. Judy Illes, the Director of Neuroethics Canada here at UBC. Neuroethics Canada is an interdisciplinary research group dedicated to tackling the ethical, legal, policy, and social implications of frontier technological developments in neurosciences. We're working on a research project on traumatic stress in healthcare workers during the COVID pandemic. We are synthesizing evidence from past pandemics regarding the effects on the mental health of healthcare workers. Our specific focus is identifying sources of traumatic stress in areas that are preparing for the arrival of a large pandemic, but have not yet seen large volumes of patients. We're exploring the idea of pre-TSD, that's pre-traumatic stress disorder, which is related to adverse responses to global uncertainty, anticipatory anxiety, and vicarious trauma. We will make recommendations about identifying at-risk groups for targeted mental health interventions. We will also be generating recommendations for health authority decision makers on how to optimize and prepare the health system to best protect our healthcare workers during this crisis and the next. Thank you very much.